Good morning. Welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. I can't talk. Welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. My name is Jennifer Woolsey and I am your friendly AVON representative, and we are going to do a makeup tutorial. So I hope you're having a great day, and I hope that you have big plans for Memorial Day. It's coming up soon. So we are going to get started. I've already done my morning skincare regimen. You guys know I'm a fanatic about this skincare regimen. I cleansed with my Belif Jelly Cleanser. Love it. Adds extra moisture, balances your pH level. It's all the good stuff. Vitamin C Serum to help with brightening my skin and wrinkles, fine lines, things I'm starting to see as I get older. Belif Aqua Bomb to help, again, balance those pH levels, add some extra moisture, and balance the oil in the places that it needs to be balanced. My Depuffing eye serum with those bags. They look much better, believe me, trust me. And that vitamin C eye brightening serum. So many things, but so many good things. All right. Oh, and if you want to try some of these Belif products, I forgot to tell you, we have this little travel kit. It's got the Aqua Bomb, the moisturizing balm, the eye balm, and the jelly cleanser in it. It's for 20 bucks. And look how cute this little thing is. It will travel. TSA approved if we ever get to travel again. Okay. Let's go ahead and hop in. I'm going to do something a little bit different today. No, this is not a scarf. It is not a mask. It is a headband. And we are going to use it to pull this hair back. It's getting long. Okay, so to prime, let's use our Ink Lasting Primer. Still one of my original favorites. It's just really good at balancing the oil in my face. I don't know what it is about. Maybe it's spring. But my oil levels seem to be rising up. So I'm not sure. We'll just have to take care of it, especially in the T-zone. Do you find that you have maybe certain times of the month that your oil levels rise, or maybe even seasons, different seasons of the year? That could definitely play a role. So primer is going to help set our makeup, and it just gives our face a little bit of extra and it helps fill in those large pores if you've got that issue going on. So we got to treat it, girl. Okay, Cashmere Complexion in the shade Cannoli. You guys know that this foundation is a 24-hour wear. It's everything. And I get to get out today because it's delivery day. So I have to get my orders out to my customers, and I'll be out in my area with new brochures. So if you need one, drop me a comment. I will get back to you. Okay, so I just put it on my hand. That's just how I like to do it. And then pick it up. Oh, and this top blouse, I sound like an old lady. This top is new. It is in our current brochure. Okay, so with this Cashmere Complexion, you can apply it with your hands. I hear some people really like to apply it with their hands. Some people choose a foundation brush. I am just a sponge girl. I like just the way that I get my coverage. And so I'm just barely, lightly tapping, tap, tap, tap into your skin to get the optimal coverage that you want. I didn't realize till I put a headband on how big my forehead is. I've got some forehead issues. Okay, so I think we are all covered with our foundation. It just puts such a nice tint on and full even coverage. Love it. Okay. Cashmere Complexion Concealer in shade Matcha. We're going to do a downward triangle to pull the light away from, there we go, away from those dark circles, because we don't want them to be on display. Like, we want to cover them up. We don't want them to be on display. So it's Memorial Day weekend. And I have a special for you. If you want to shop on my website and you register as a customer with me and you use the code MEMORIAL, you get a free gift. Yeah. So that website is youravon.com/jwoolsey. And I'll put it in the comments for you. But yes, register with me, get a free gift when you place an order of any size. I'm going in now with my Tattoo Station eye pencil. We also have some new highbrow gel coming out. That's super cool. And we have a brow pomade. I'm going to have to do some tutorials on this product and get a little tips on how to use it. Have you guys ever used a brow pomade? I'm excited to try something new. I'm just going to have to research it. I really love this Tattoo Station though. It just stays in place and it gives such great coverage. I guess you could go over it with the brow gel and kind of just highlight what you're doing. Okay, so I think our concealer has had time to warm up on our face. So I'm just using that ring finger and I'm gently patting it into the skin. The ring finger is your most gentle finger. So of course you want to be very gentle because the skin around your eyes is for sure the most gentle skin on your face. Just tapping that in on my nose. Yay! Yay! I have something new to share with you today. I'm so excited. I got some new products in and I love to share new products. We are going to use our Magix Dust as our setting powder. You guys know this is my go-to setting powder. It's translucent, it's loose powder, and it goes on so heavenly. It goes on so smoothly. So I'm just going to take my powder brush, gently circular motions. And the other thing I've noticed is you don't have as much fallout. Once you add it to your brush, it's not falling all over my black shirt, which is a huge win. I don't like things to fall over my black shirt. It's not fun. Okay. So, there we go. We're set. Yay. All right, now, something new. So, I have been using our Monopop Moods eyeshadow palette in brown, but I just got the coral palette in. So, there's all kinds of different color combinations in it. Look at all of those colors. It's very, very well pigmented. It's a beautiful palette. So I'm excited to use it. I haven't even practiced on it yet. So we're going to go in first. I think we're going to start with this shade right here. And cover the lid of our eyes. I like to always start with like a base color to color, you know, to shade the lid of my eye. And then I work off of that. That's just the way I like to do it. Everybody does it a little bit differently. But you're getting ready with me, so you get to see my tips. Okay, good deal. Good deal, Lucille. We're in there. So let's go in now. Let's pull a little bit of this pink. It's pretty. It's kind of a bubblegum pink, and we'll pick up a little bit of that brown. And we'll just gently pat it in here in that crease area. Oh, that's pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Yes, I like it. It's not super bold, which is nice to go every once in a while with something that is not quite as bold. Okay. So we've got that done in that crease area. Good morning. I'm using our Coral Monopop palette this morning. It's my first time to use it, so you get to watch me experiment here. All right, so now I'm going to pick up this darker shade and a little bit of this gold up here, and we're going to do the base part of the eye and bring it into what we did in this crease action. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. We're just blending our colors here. Really can get some different color combinations with this palette than you are with the Mood Browns. I like it. It's subtle. It's not super bold. And it still looks, I mean, it looks good. Okay, all right. I'm convinced. We're going to use our SuperExtend Liquid Liner Pencil. And there we go. So what plans do you have for Memorial Day? Is your family doing a cookout or anything special? Or are you working? We're expecting quite a bit of rain in Texas, so we'll probably be indoors. Okay, I think we're lined. Yay! That really kind of makes that eyeshadow pop. I'm loving just the feel that you get from it. Let me close and let you look. It's really nice. Okay, we're gonna curl these lashes, get working. Oh, yuck. That is no fun. I hope that you guys are doing well in your facility. I hope people are starting to heal. Love mascara. Oh, love it. It is, there's a story in my stories. There's a video about all the awesomeness that goes into Love mascara that makes it so awesome. And we have waterproof coming. Let's see. Good morning, Cindy. I used a new eyeshadow palette this morning. We got our Mono Pop palette in Coral in. It's everything. It's everything. I'm feeling like a bubblegum princess, maybe. How about that? We'll say a bubblegum princess. So what are your plans for Memorial Day? Are you working or do you have time with family planned? Okay. All right. I think we have the mascara on. We made a little oopsie. I'm going to show you all my little trick. Take a Q-tip and just kind of, after it's dried, it should just wipe right away. Yay. Okay, so to go with our coral eyeshadow, we're going to use our Coral Cushion Blush. Pop, pop, pop. Just giving a little pop of color on those cheeks. Yay. Okay. We have some new lip stuff in. We have our new VDL, what is this called? This is the new lip balm. Look, it's mint. It's so cool. It comes in several other colors. Comes in Blessing Coral, Blooming Pink, Mint Flavor, and then Blooming Pink. So this is cool. So it's like a lip gloss. And then we have our new tint bar. Isn't this cool? Look at that. It has the neatest packaging. Comes in triple red, triple pink, triple peach. And it is an all-in-one lip balm primer and tint. And it makes your lips fuller with a shiny sheer. And it's got moisturizing royal jelly and nourishing ester oil. So, which one should we use? The lip balm or the lip tint? What do you think? I'm thinking this lip tint will go with our eye look. So it is so cool. Good morning, sister. Okay, so let's try it. Oh, it feels amazing on your lips. Wow. Amazing. So I could go back later with the lip balm over that, but it gives a pretty color, but it's not too bold. So I think I could rock it. So the new products we used this morning was, I told you guys about this Belif sample pack that has the royal jelly cleanser. It has the Aqua Bomb, it has the Moisture Bomb, and it has the Eye Balm for 20 bucks. Don't miss that deal because it's a great way to try out these Belif products I've been using. And our Mono Pop palette in Coral. Let me show you the eyes. Look at all these pretty colors. Let me close the eyes here and let you get the look. Whoop, whoop. And I used our new tint bar. So pretty. All right, so we did a little bit of a different look, but I think it will work for delivery day. It's gonna be a crazy day. So I hope that you have a fantastic Memorial Day. Remember, when you shop on my website, your avon.com/jwoolsey, and you register your account, so you register as a customer, you can use code MEMORIAL and get a free gift. So shop with me, enjoy it. It's your avon.com/jwoolsey. I appreciate you. I hope you enjoy your free gift, and I hope you all have an amazing Memorial Day. We'll see you later. Bye, guys.